16610 Peter Boy, KC Trucking Incorporated. This truck is unsealed. It is unsealed, or it's not sealed properly, should I say. That's obvious. That's clear. So, I mean, this is an ongoing problem I've been complaining of, and it seems like no one wants to take heed. But obviously, there is an issue. It's obvious to me. Again, they're stealing water, as usual. Let me see if I can... Well, I'm going to follow him. You can see all this water, contaminated water coming off the site. You can see it coming through the fence right there. It hasn't rained here in quite some time, but this is just kind of like runoff from the site, and the water is murky. Lord knows what's contained in it. I need to go and get a bottle and capture some of that, which I think I'll do a little later on. Try to get it tested. Alright, well, that was, I think, the last truck leaving the site. And so there's the tent now. Formerly it was here in my last video, but they've moved it over to the west to that location, again being excavated for a second.